Hey Loog Nation, so you liked the E-Blues video that I had posted earlier and you're asking more about 7-chord options. So this A-Blues is going to show you 3 different 7 chords that you can play and make it sound a little, well, bluesier. Stick around. Hey everyone, it's Mr. Will with Loog Nation, where future guitarists start, and today we're working on the A-Blues. Stick around, I'm going to show you a variety of strumming options and how to improve the groove of your strumming. Give you a little more of a blues swing style. Cool? Let's get into this. The A-Blues is a great way to start learning the guitar because you're doing the same pattern over and over and over again. 12 bars, same chord progression, and this is where a ton of songs are turned into smash hits. But the blues is a great way to start if you're ever wondering, where do I start with the Loog? Start right here with our A-Blues. We have an A. You can find that in your cards, but there's a couple of chords that you won't find in your cards, like this one, A7. So that's me just lifting off of my second finger. I'm just playing the second string, second fret. Then I'm going to play a D7. It's kind of the inverted version of a D major, but I'm using my second finger, first finger, and third finger to play this chord. See that shape? And then I'm going to play an E. But I can also play an E7, which is a really fun way to play this chord. We have the E, and then the the 7th chord of that, the D, gives a very bluesy sound. So I'm using my first finger and my pinky to play an E7. There we go. So we have a variety of chords. We're going to move in and out of them. Let's stick with just the 7 chords right now. So we're going to play A7, D7, and E7. Let's work on changing those chords. A7, 1, 2, 3, 4, D7. Back to A7. Now play E7. Again, A7. Move to D7. Back to A7. Now E7. So there's your practice. Stop this video, play this little section back over and over again. Get good at changing your chords in tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4, change. 1, 2, 3, 4. A7, D7, E7. Now, a 12-bar blues progression goes like this. We have 4 bars of A7. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second bar, third bar, fourth bar. So that's one line, 4 bars. Then we're going to play D7 for 2 bars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. Then we're going to go back to A7 for 2 more bars. 2 plus 2 is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to finish what is called the turnaround, the last 4 bars. We're going to play 1 bar of E7, 1 bar of D7, and you have a choice. You could play 2 bars of A7, or you could play 1 bar of A7, and then 1 bar of E7 again. So it's getting us back to the beginning of the 4 bars of A7. Let's do that again. We're going to go A7, 1, 2 bars, 3 bars, 4 bars, D7, 1, 2, back to A7, 2. Now I'm going to go E7, D7, A7, E7, back to A7. I'm back at the beginning. 2, 3, 4, D7, 1, 2, A7, 1, 2, E7, 1, D7, 1, A7, 1, A7. All right, so you just played through the 12-bar blues 2 times. Great! You can end the 12-bar blues with 2 bars of A7. So it would be E7, D7, A7, A7, and you're done. But I like throwing in that extra E7. So we have the turnaround being E7, D7, A7, E7 for 1 bar each. So there's your basics. Blues chords, the structure, and we can play quarter notes. Notice that that sounds pretty darn good. Let's add to that. Let's put a backbeat to it. So instead of playing just straight, let's make 2 and 4. Counts 2 and 4 a little stronger. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this. And you can work on that for the entire 12-bar phrase. Backbeat accent. Okay, another option we have is playing some strumming up and down. I would like to introduce the idea of 1 quarter note, 2 eighth notes, 2 eighth notes, and a quarter note. That count would be 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. There's another option. You could play the entire 12-bar blues with 1, 2, and 3, and 4. I could challenge you by putting the backbeat onto 2 and 4 of that same rhythm. 1. And also notice that I'm swinging these eighth notes. Whoa, what does that mean? It means I'm playing a long down and a short up. Long, short, long, short, long, short, long, short. We would count that like 2, a 3, up. 2, a 3, up. So it would sound like 1, 2, a 3, a 4. 1, 2, a 3, a 4. Notice I'm going long, short, long, short. That swing feel gives it a little more vibe, a little more of that energy of a blues. This is another layer to your strumming. Here's more strumming. Let's try a syncopated pattern. And if you've been with me before, you know that I've done this before. 1, 2, and 4. And if you haven't been here before, just hit that subscribe button right now because I've got tons of lessons coming right at you. Here we go. So we're going to go 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and miss, and 4. 1, 2, and 4. 1, 2, and 4. Okay. So this gets a little bit of the swing flavor, but I'm missing that third beat. Down, down, up, miss, up, down, 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 up, miss, up, down. All right. So that's another way you could strum it. I really like this feeling for a blues, and it sounds really good, especially if you do the long, short on the eighth notes. One more pattern that I think is really fun to play. Options 1 and 2 are 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Now, it does challenge your chord changes because we're playing the and of 4, especially when I'm playing a little bit faster. Notice that this video is very fast. I'm using a lot of up-tempo strumming just to show how it sounds eventually. You can always slow down this video in the settings, and you can also just slow down in general and use a metronome. So you're playing 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Get really good at your chord changes and you'll be able to play any of these strumming patterns. So that was 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and. Now let's make it syncopated. This is the last one of the day. We're going to go 1, 2, and 4, and. 1, 2, and 4, and. Down, down, up, down, up. Long, long, short, short, long, short. 1, 2, up, 4, and. Ready? Here we go. All right. Well, there you go. 12-bar blues with many strumming options, from very easy to pretty complex. I would say work on your chord changes first, and then challenge yourself with all of these strumming patterns. Okay, if you need to, go back to the beginning, review your chords, review the strumming, but I'm gonna do a play along. I'm gonna play the blues 2 times through with the pattern down, down, up, up, down. 1, 2, and 4. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you had a good time today. Please make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions at all, leave it in the comments below. Hey, don't forget we're here every Thursday. See you next time.